You guys suck.
Yeah,
But we're winning! Guys, you hurt my feelings. I'm buying a deagle. Oh, fuck that. I got dualies. Look at this.
What's your obsession with the dualies?
Fucking earlier today, we got shredded by kids who only use the dualies and the fucking scout. So all night tonight, I've just been using the dualies and the scout, and it's been a viable tactic. You fucking scout them and then you pull out your dualies and shoot until they die. Guys, we gotta win this pistol round series.
I am setting the bomb.
Banana?
Banana. God damn!
Oh my god.
The pistol